Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about Chapter 2, Lesson 3. So Chapter 2, Lesson 3, and that is all about writing equations, specifically two-step equations. Now, before we get started with that, we need to talk about words into math. I think most of you know most of these words and what they mean, but I want to go over them with you anyway. So if you see words for addition, or words in an equation or statement, a paragraph that will tell you that you are going to write an addition sign, you're going to see the words like add, sum, increase by, together, more, and, plus, or combine. All of these words are telling you you have addition. If you see words like subtract, difference, decrease by, minus, take away, that's when you're going to use a minus sign. If you see words that say product, times, of, multiple, twice, this is all telling you you're going to multiply. Any word that's here in division would be quotient, shared, per, ratio, or divided by. The word is means equals. Also meaning equals would be some of the past tense of that, is so are, or were, will be, gives, total. These are all words that mean we are going to have two things that are equal to each other. Parentheses. So if you are told something that says times the difference of, or twice the sum of, plus the difference of, if you need to make something happen further up in the mathematical food chain, so an addition or a subtraction, you have to make sure you put it in parentheses because the order of operations says parentheses come first. So if you're multiplying something times the sum of, you've got to get the sum first. And the only way to add before you multiply is if you put it in parentheses. Okay? So you've got these words that are called turnaround words. If you see less than, that means we're decreasing. If you see more than, it means you're increasing. If you see the word is less than, then we could be talking about inequality. So you have to watch the inequalities. They'll come up at different times. Okay? So words into math. So we're going to be looking at some assignments like this. So we're going to be translating sentences into mathematical operations. So here we see 4 less. 4 less than means we're taking away 4. So that means minus 4. 4 less than 5 times a number. So if we decide that we're going to let n equal the unknown number, then 5 times a number would be 5n. And it comes first. How do we know? Because it's 4 less than something that already exists. So if you see less than or more than, it means it has to be at least the second term because there's something that you are adding or subtracting it from. Is equal to 11, is equal to 11. So then you've written the equation and you would solve this. How? Add 4, divide by 5. Here, 15 more than a number, 15 more than half a number is 9. 15 more means you're going to add 15. 15 more than half a number would be 1/2 n is 9, is 9. Get the idea? Okay, so let's try some that aren't off your homework. How about this? 35% of some number. So 35% is equal to 0.30. Oops, sorry, 0.35. 35% of some number would be 0.35n. 35% of some number. It's a multiplication. That's what percentages are. We're multiplying. How about 9 less than some number? So 9 less is minus 9. Some number would be n. A number subtracted from 14. A number subtracted from 14. So we start with 14 and we subtract some number. Some number decreased by 8. Some number decreased by 8. A number multiplied by 3. A number multiplied by 3. The difference between a number and 2. The difference between a number and 2. Difference means subtract. We're subtracting 2 from a number. The product of a number and 7. Product means multiply. Product of a number and 7. In math, we write the number in front of the letter, not the other way around. Even though it said it backward, you still write the number first. The quotient of the quotient of 16 and a number. Quotient means fraction. Of goes over and. So the quotient of 16 and a number, so the n would go on the bottom. Whatever follows and is the number in the denominator. Whatever follows of is the number in the numerator. So this is how you write equations. You just look at the words and translate them into mathematical operations. I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.